This is basically system design 101, horizontal versus vertical scaling. Imagine you have an app and you keep getting more and more users to the point where your setup just isn't enough anymore and you need to scale up. The very simple solution to this is to add more and more CPU, more and more RAM, but this gets very unsustainable because at some point there's only so much RAM or CPU you can add to a machine before it gets too much, or it just gets way too expensive. That's basically vertical scaling in a nutshell, but there's a more complicated solution where instead of scaling up your hardware, you go ahead and instantiate multiple instances of your app and distribute the load evenly. This is called horizontal scaling and it's much more sustainable. However, there's much more complexity to it because now you have to make sure every single instance is the same, that everyone is distributed evenly. You have to also make sure that all the instances are up at all times. If one goes down, you have to go spin it back up. So it's more complex, however, much more sustainable in the long run.